Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to make your everyday life a little bit easier and a lot more fun. Today, we have something truly unique and creative to share with you. This is the best snow animal mold, and it's perfect for anyone who loves adding a little joy to their meals or even to their winter playtime. This mold set, made by Jeyssui, comes with two different shapes, a cute duck and a heart, both of which are perfect for making rice balls, mashed potatoes, and even snowballs. Yes, you heard that right, you can even use this mold in the winter to create snowballs that are just as fun as they're easy to make. So how does it work? It's really simple. All you need to do is take your rice, mashed potatoes, or any other food you want to shape. Press it into the mold, and voila, you've got a perfectly shaped duck or heart. The molds are made from high-quality acrylic material, so they are durable and built to last. Plus, they come with a set of 100 disposable gloves, which ensures that your hands stay clean while preparing your food. You won't have to worry about messes when you're creating these adorable shapes for your family or guests. One of the best things about this mold is how easy it is to use, even if you're a beginner in the kitchen. Simply press the rice into the mold, give it a gentle press to make it nice and compact, and then pop it out. You'll have a beautifully shaped rice ball in no time. It's so simple and fun that even kids can get involved in making their own food creations. And it's not just for the kitchen. This mold is versatile enough to be used as a snowball maker. Imagine how much fun your kids will have during the winter months, shaping snowballs with this mold before they go out to play. It's a creative way to make snowy days even more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about the size. The duck-shaped mold measures about 7.6 inches by 2 inches by 2.16 inches. While the heart-shaped mold is slightly larger, measuring 8.3 inches by 2.36 inches by 2.16 inches. These dimensions ensure that the finished product is perfectly sized for a fun addition to any meal or winter activity. The overall design is thoughtful, with both molds being very easy to clean and maintain. No need to worry about complicated upkeep. Just wash them after use, and they'll be good as new. Whether you're shaping rice for sushi, mashed potatoes for dinner, or even snowballs for winter fun, these molds will serve you well. In conclusion, the Jeyssui Duck and Heart Rice Mold is an amazing, easy-to-use product that adds creativity and fun to your cooking and playtime. It's perfect for families, children, and anyone who enjoys making mealtimes more enjoyable. With its high-quality design, versatility, and ease of use, this mold is truly a must-have for your kitchen or winter activities. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, so you never miss out on the best products like this one. See you in the next video.